Let's be real. People will do anything these days to gain some attention on internet. We have seen it all, from outrageous pranks to over the top stunts, and now someone marrying their true love, which would be perfectly fine. But the love interest here is an anime character. I wish I was just joking. So, in Japan, a young woman decided to say I do not to a real person but to her ultimate anime crush. While the rest of us are trying to navigate the ways of regular relationships, she is walking down the aisle with a piece of printed cardboard. But wait, before we start rolling our eyes with judgment, let's take a step back and take a closer look into this situation. Is it just another stunt to gain popularity and virality? Or is there something deeper at play here? Love, obsession, or pure dedication towards the fandom? Either way, this story is pretty wild. So let's break it down together. A young woman has gone viral after announcing her marriage to Blue Lock's Yoichi Isagi on social media. The superfan posted photos and videos of her wedding ceremony, which was hosted at an Osaka wedding venue, complete with a wedding dress, cake, ring, bouquet, and handmade life-size cardboard Isagi cutout. The 19-year-old fan, who censors her face and is known only by her Instagram and TikTok handles, held the ceremony in Osaka on December 24th, about a week after Blue Lock's stunning season 2 finale saved what had been a particularly disappointing season. She revealed the wedding ceremony photo shoot with Blue Lock's protagonist in cardboard cutout form on her social media platforms, which quickly went viral. So here are the pics of the wedding ceremony. The photos look okay. I'm wondering what the photographers were thinking. This has to be one of the craziest weddings the photographers have taken pictures of. What she posted on her Instagram story apparently. Thank you very much for watching the wedding video with Kyoichi. I am very happy to receive warm words and congratulations from everyone. I am truly grateful for the kindness of so many people. I received many comments, and although I was not able to reply to all of them, I read almost all of them. Once again, thank you. However, I think that many people were uncomfortable with my post. I am truly sorry. I would also like to explain the misunderstanding that has arisen. Saying it is uncomfortable would be an understatement. First of all, this wedding was personally requested by me to hold a wedding venue, and it is an unofficial wedding. I am sorry for any misunderstanding on this point. I also received many opinions about marriage with a minor. I mean, is this what people are really worried about? He is 10 years old and I am 19 years old. The marriageable age in Japan is 18 years old for both men and women. I am an adult, but he is a. So, we only held the wedding ceremony. Therefore, we have not submitted a marriage registration at this time. I mean, it just keeps getting weirder. I mean, Japan is already struggling with low birth rate and not many people are getting married. Imagine the person who have to deal with the marriage certificate of this wedding. I mean, the person would be so pissed off. According to the woman's social media platforms, she had been a fan of Isagi since at least April 2024 and had been planning the wedding ceremony since at least October 2024. The first post found on the fan's TikTok was released in April on fans' assumed 19th birthday. It showed a short video of her Isagi-themed birthday party, featuring several pictures, buttons, and figurines of Isagi. She captioned the photo with a heartfelt message about the character, stating, "Happy birthday. Thank you for being born and meeting me. Before I met Yoichi, my life was unhappy, and I thought I was hated by God. But now that I met Yoichi, I'm glad I'm alive. Can't say the same about Yoichi. Thanks to Yoichi, I was able to work hard at my part-time job and school. I wanted to be a girl who suits Yoichi, and so I worked hard on myself." The fan also posted several times leading up to the wedding, including a wedding dress fitting, a sneak peek of the Osaka wedding venue, and a few dates with Isagi plushes and doll figurine. She also posted after the wedding ceremony, showcasing a hand-baked wedding Christmas cake, which she captioned, "The cake I made for Christmas and the wedding. I wanted to make Yoichi-kun happy, so I put my energy into it, and it took over 4 hours." So her account's name is Kitsuba41, with Kitsuba, a traditional Japanese sweet, being officially listed as Isagi's favorite food. His description has Isagi's quote, "Move for the sake of my goal," and that the account holds great admiration for the player wearing jersey number 11. This is not the first time that a superfan has married a fictional character. In 2018, Akihiko Kondo married his idol, Vocaloid character Katsuna Miku. Yeah, I remember reading that. He had a formal wedding ceremony, though unofficial, as marrying a fictional character is not recognized by Japanese government. I wonder why. Which gained immense media attention and garnered significant controversy. Kondo has publicly spoken about his marriage to Hatsune Miku several times, stating that the character helped him recover from depression and regain his happiness and confidence. Kondo has become one of the first public examples. The superfan who married Isagi cited Kondo several times in comments on her posts. I want to know your opinion on this matter. On that note, why do you think that anime in general is gaining popularity these days? One reason I can think of, people want to escape from the reality for a brief moment and just become worry free. People already have a lot of stress these days and the mental health is not so great. It's hard for many people to make a lasting relationship or even have a conversation with someone. And the people who have given up all hope of trying to interact with another person and risk getting heartbreak. I think these are the kind of people who tend to take these kind of drastic decisions. Or I could be just wrong. They are just doing for the publicity. But would you go this far to gain attention? I know we shouldn't be commenting on other people's life. They can do whatever they want. Let's see what other people has to say about this wedding. It feels so weird calling it a wedding. It should be me, not her, one fan said. I don't blame her. I'll do the same with multiple anime characters. Hey, I'm sure that you guys all have some anime crushes. At some level, we all know that it can't be real. It's just, let's just enjoy talking about it, but taking it too far is not ideal. Whatever her mood, he can adapt well. Don't tell me this is a reason for Japan's population drop becoming one of the major factors. This person and the Hatsune Miku guy should meet. I just want to say that if this trend continues to grow in Japan, then Japan is in for a real big trouble, which it's already been facing. So get ready for that. And you let me know what you think, and if you made it this far, I really appreciate it. Don't forget to hit the like, it really motivates me, and don't forget to hit the subscribe. With that, I'll be signing off. Catch you in the next one. Take care. Peace.